On today's episode of spending too damn much money with the MadSnap'r, I got a halo. Where'd it go? Anyway, we went shopping again, y'all. Yeah, Home Depot got me this time.
It's really not that bad. Alright, we got this 70 Styliner camper we're doing in my shop. I do everything Milwaukee. And I got tired of taking tools back and forth the one time I did it because, yeah, I'm lazy. So, what's the next best thing? Ooh, there's a mirror. Other than Milwaukee, I'm told it's everything else but what I bought. So I did the right thing and I went not the cheapest, but really, really close. Ryobi. So I've had very, very good luck with the Ryobi 40 volt things, a blower, a backpack blower, a weed whacker with the expanded attachments I've had for like 6 years that is just amazing. Tiller attachments. Anyway, I like the Ryobi 40 volt stuff. Not gonna lie. But this here 6 kit, we're gonna give it a little testing. I can't see that competing with Milwaukee at all, but I'm gonna give it a try one day. The Milwaukee ones I take and I literally can cut up a whole car with one battery and a blade and like 2 frame rails, torsion bars, drive shaft, converters, miscellaneous other pieces. It's just I can literally chop a whole car up with that with no issues. Anywho, we're not here for that. So impact driver, that's gonna be fine. Drill, we'll see. I've never used one of these oscillating little weird tools. Flashlight, hey, little tiny saw with a 5.5 inch blade. Believe it or not, I think that's going to come in handy for this because most of the stuff I use are going to be 2x2s, 2x1, 1x2s, 2x3s, that type of situation to rebuild things like that and make counter stuff to go here and there. Yeah, $200, y'all. I had a 10% off coupon because I'm an extra pro member, so a little less than $200. So we got some battery stuff charging. I'll throw in a couple little tidbits here and there the next several days of me using this stuff and let you know what I think. I gotta get some bits and pieces, and I already got some extra blades for the Sawzall. I shouldn't need an extra blade for that. That should last me a long, long time. Might even try to figure out how to use this thing. That thing. Which is that thing, the Multitool. I've never needed that. I'm a metal guy. So maybe I'll learn me something. But we got 2 batteries, which I like that because this kit in any other brand would have been $5.99 plus at all. And then now Milwaukee's got so many different generations of shit out. I can't tell if I'm getting a good deal or if I'm getting old stock left over from their first generation stuff without doing a bunch of research. So I don't really care. Yep. Anyway, wish me luck on this here project, and I'll put in a couple extra things here and there as far as this goes and give you my honest opinion. No, I'm gonna give you a fake opinion because, yeah, whatever. That's 2 things that annoy me on YouTube stuff. My halo. 2 things that annoy me on YouTube stuff. When they say abandoned vehicle set for 40 years. Yeah, we had to buy it and we got a good price. Well, if you had to buy it, it wasn't freaking abandoned. It was neglected. That just bothers the shit out of me. We bought this abandoned vehicle. No, you didn't. You bought a vehicle, but it wasn't abandoned, clearly. Anyway, and the other one is so-and-so's honest review of blah, blah, blah. No, we want a fake review. That's pet peeves. Anyway, it's my 2 cents. Alright, I'm gonna play with these tools now. Bye. Alright, I think I have the very perfect use for this multi-tool. I need to finish cutting this. Will the multi-tool work? I thought this was an addition, but nope. Somebody's already cut it to do this, and it's in the way. And if it does real good, we might use the multi-tool to get to the edges of this. I got to take a little chunk out so we can reinforce, do some underneath work there. Anyway, let's see what's going on with the little multi-tool. Over batteries real quick. Neither one of them had a charge out of the box, maybe 1 bar. Anyway, I want to use the little battery, so I'm gonna give it a charge for a few minutes just to help it out. And the multi-tool comes with a little triangle piece with 3 different flavors of sandpaper, and these 2 blades, and an Allen wrench. Ooh, variable speed, nice. A lock mechanism, feels good in the hand, feels like a hammer. Don't use it as a hammer. Multi-tool update. Today is, I'm editing the video now and gonna post it. It's actually New Year's Day. I'm still out there working on the project. So multi-tool is really handy. First time I ever used one period was on that camper. Holy vibrations. That's all I'm gonna say about that. And it's gotta be tight. That thing gets loose quick on the bits, on the blades and stuff. Make sure it's good and tight. When you think it's tight, make it a little tighter. Blades are expensive. The good ones are expensive, but they're worth it. Yeah. Anyway, multi-tool for the win. All right. Very first time using. My first cut on the project. That's a 0. Guess I should see the directions and see what speed it should need to cut wood and all that good stuff, but here we go. That's pretty neat, other than I didn't tighten it up enough and it came loose. But look at that, that's awesome. The oscillating tool was kind of nice. Let's try this drill. Lock, unlock, nice. 2-speed, feels good. Let's put a bit in it. See what happens. Actually feels pretty good. Ergonomically, whatever that means. So I don't have a real bit sit right now. All that stuff's at the shop. And this doesn't really fit, but let's see how it works. Wow. How does that not go all the way through that wall? Yeah, so it works. I like it. And it's not real heavy with that smaller battery on it. Cool. One for the win. Oh, that's $100 by itself in Milwaukee. Drill update. So that drill's got all the torques. It'll definitely surprise you. I was doing some 3/8 holes for the lag bolts going from the base plate to some angle iron that I'm using for the structure of the framing, and I was reaching way out. Anyway, one of those bits caught, and it jacked my wrist up for a couple days. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm weak. I'm 220 pounds, just of weakness. That's all. That's why. No, that drill, I'm very impressed with the drill. Hopefully it lasts a long time. I actually like that drill better than my Milwaukee drill. 12-volt Milwaukee drill. So 18 volt versus 12 volts, yeah, it's not fair, but I like it. Anyway, back to the Ryobi testing and or checking, what's it called? Review? Yes, the Ryobi review. So I need to cut out this little section of plywood so I can see the subfloor and do some repairs underneath and put bolts through and all that. But anywho, it's OSB, but I'm hoping I can do a depth adjustment to this doohickey and install this blade. And then that will leave me the Sawzall to use, and this review will be done. So far I'm happy. They feel quality, they feel good. Plenty of power, everything I've had to do thus far. I'm not gonna use a flashlight. Flashlight's a flashlight. Y'all go look at that shit up somewhere else. Anywho, Multitool might come in use to the edges. We'll see how that works. If not, Sawzall will, and I can tear it all the way up. Here we go. All right, put the blade on there. Looks like it's going the wrong way, but the arrow says go that way. Arrow says go that way. And it spins this way. Yep. Anyway, you can see I got the depth of the blade just a hair past the wood. So let's see how this works out. I can also tell you doing this one-handed is not going to be fun. Let's prop up a little cell phone somewhere. Don't know where I can put it. Actually, that's the machine going. So you're just going to have to take my word for it, because I don't want to do this more unsafely than it already is. Yep. Half the cut. You know, it sounds like it's bogging down, but it's still handling it. It did just fine. I do need to go get some safety glasses though. Yep, safety glasses acquired. I think I can make this go the rest of the way. Here we go. A straight line, y'all. And again, I'm a metal guy, I'm not a wood guy. Yeah, saw did fine. You can hear the difference from me pushing on it versus kind of letting it go itself. So not bad, not bad. Alright, big thumbs up on that. I'm not doing a battery test and all that other good shit. Just wanted to work. So far, the kit works. Yay! So the Ryobi's cutting stuff is working. I'm gonna try the Sawzall on this to finish that little cut right there, right there. Yep, yep. Now I'm gonna use the little battery. One little battery installed. Ooh, quick lock thing, kind of like that.
Buy some carpentry tools, they said. It'll be fun, they said. You'll learn a new skill, they said. I don't want to do it.
Doing some demo work to fix somebody else's half-assed job, but hey, that's what I'm doing it for. We have structure. That was fun. All in all, the kit did very good. The Sawzall is not going to compare to the power of the Milwaukee. There's no doubt about that. I do like the way it's built, though. I like the way it handles, and I like the way it clips on the end. I wish the Milwaukee was quite that nice. Just this does not have the internals. But for everything on this project, it's fine. You're not going to be cutting metal with it all day, even with metal blades. But wood all day long. Don't like the Ryobi stapler. It didn't come with the kit, but I'm unhappy with it. It will not pierce through the thin sheet metal, no matter what I use. Unhappy with that. But everything else is great. And again, I shouldn't even mention that. It's not part of the kit. But whatever. Love it. The drill, happy with. Saw, happy with. Impact driver, happy with also. Flashlight, it's over there somewhere. I still haven't used it. Anyway, big dirty thumbs up.